Nongialam jaga sang BJP hapok mekhlaya Mynta kasngi kila yang teli man pedang sobha ya wei neki Nongialam jaga sang Trinamool Congress na pok mekhlaya bau tau de winner sandi sangma tak ban ko ni ba winner sandi sangma ude u MA barim winner san lapan pau ke jeng sokmen ba kasang BJP kila pedang sobha u syakani kasang ka bau yo kala penya Trinamool ni kasang ke balaw ra shibun ki kampar hapok ka jalam jong umjian ba du Narendra Modi Nakalang ba elhek obulang o menteri jangko sarkar ber uwi ni kinang kasang BJP ber kumjuru ba emet chakran kilapan pau ba kisadan chukri pat kinang lam kasang Trinamool Congress kumjuru ki MLA ba menta ki ban Pyniasoh eladi bat kasang BJP.
My thanks for organizing. My thanks goes to the State President, Honorable Minister Elhek, Mr. Gaganji Bakrao, and the spokesperson of the party, Bakar Rung, and others who have attended this function at a very short notice. I also extend my sincere thanks to all the members of the press who are present today. My intention of joining this BJP is with an eagerness to serve with commitment and dedicate myself to render service to the people in a with our platform. I have been in politics since 2013, in active politics. I represented 55 Sambanpara constituency for 10 years from 2013 to 23, but I couldn't make it in 2023 in the last assembly election to the assembly. But still, I'm active and in circulation in the active politics. I wanted to serve the people with my commitment and dedication, which is why when I look at the prevailing environment situation in the state as well as in the nation, I understood that BJP's platform is a very strong platform in the state and in the national level, which is why to strengthen the party in the state level, I have decided to join, and today I'm very grateful to the state president and other members of the family of the party for welcoming me in this short function. I always will carry forward my commitment and dedication to render service to the people of my constituency and the people of the state, so that I can also contribute for the growth of the nation through this party. Thank you.
Joining of the Wendelson Sama from the TMC to the BJP. So it is a very clear indications. Wendelson has joined, there is very clear indication that the BJP is winning in the Lok Sabha seats in 2024. So as I had said, that only not he himself, the other former MLA or the sitting MLA also, very soon they are joining to the BJP. So we are waiting for the time. And as I said by Wendelson, in a few days, they are also joining.
Anything that has not yet happened. Okay. So we are just telling you that they are more to join, but we cannot mention the names now because we don't want to say things which have not happened. Let it happen at that point of time, we'll let you know. In fact, earlier when it came out in the papers also, none of us spoke about who is going to join. So let them join first, then we'll let you know.
Kiwi pat kini ngalam ke jalang hanika jengalang ma pedang sobha ya winner san ki kan thup yo ba san bor cholai MLA jangko South Chelong bat kumjuru la dan lang ru u presiden jangko BJP na po mekhlaya hakan dikasni
Karkrang, Galandin, Bakrao, seperti we are very happy that they have joined the party because his vision and mission is high, based on the good works of the Narendra Modi and the BJP in every part of India and even here in Meghalaya. Plenty of scheme has been given through the central government to develop Meghalaya. So this message will go to the people of Khasi, Jaintia and Garo that the time has come that they should not entertain those political propaganda by the other parties during the election. But they should support the BJP because, as I have said earlier, today, this is not an MDC election, not an MLA election. This is a Lok Sabha election. So you know from the trend, from the national news and everywhere, that still Modi will form the government. Again, will form the government. So that's why no use to send other party. It will be a wastage of time. So if you send if the people, we appeal to people of Katijantia to elect the BJP candidate as honorable he or her to get the ministership, then we can bring lots of development and generation of jobs to the job aspirants of Katijantia.